Hello friends, welcome to another video. Today we'll be making an Arduino powered line following car using L293D motor driver shield. For this project we need the following components: an Arduino Uno R3, a L293D motor driver shield, two IR sensors, a 1000 mAh 6.4 volt LiPo battery with T-plug connector, four 5-volt DC gear motor and 4 gear motor wheels, few jumper cables, and styrofoam for making the body and the chassis of the robot car. The L293D is a dual-channel H-bridge motor driver which is capable of driving a pair of DC motors or a single stepper motor, as the shield comes with two L293D motor driver chipsets, which means it can individually drive up to 4 DC motors at a time. So now we'll be connecting the jumper cables of the IR sensor to the motor shield. Now we'll be connecting the T-plug to these two ports. Now we have finished connecting all the wires. So now let's see the robot in action. So here the robot is following the black line in white area. The robot must be able to detect a particular line and keep following it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe to Vikram Tech and hit the bell icon to get the latest notifications. See you in the next video.